Welcome to our channel Basic Starter Video 1. How to know about digital marketing. Whether it's difficult? Spending lots of time it gets bored? We teach it to understand from the scratch. You will definitely enjoy our way of teaching. We develop your skills by taking guest lectures in your college and video chats. Subscribe our digital media. Our digital media solves all your problems. Have you ever posted any images or videos on social media? If yes, then you're a part of digital world. What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the component of marketing that utilizes the internet and online-based digital technologies such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms to promote products and services. The extension to non-internet channels differentiates digital marketing from online marketing. Types of digital marketing: search engine optimization, social media marketing, content marketing. Affiliate marketing, pay-per-click and SEO marketing. Email marketing. Using digital marketing, you can reach an enormous audience in a way that is both cost-effective and measurable. You can save money and reach more customers for less money than traditional marketing methods. Get to know your audience and allow them to know you personally, which can help to create brand loyalty. Digital marketing is the key to hold an in-demand profession. Apart from these, there is a broad scope of digital marketing as promoting and branding business through digital media as the fastest and reliable mode of marketing to target mass audience. Digital marketing is the key to hold an in-demand profession. Visit our site and contact us for guest lectures and workshop. Subscribe to our channel for more updates. We are glad to teach you. Thank you.